This is Smuggler Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. For some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Smuggler, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The first order will never know we were there. Okay, got to go, so bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go.
Excited? I thought you wanted to see
Come all the way into the left-hand side, guys. Explore around. You hear your colors.
two pilots side by side. It has to say pilot. I'm sorry.
Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move on, my friends. See you in the cockpit. I won't be in the cockpit, of course. I'm thinking of... You're still here, go.
Remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Whoa, okay.
Alright, let's
So this is up and yeah, these are up and down. You're up and down. Alright, buckle up.
seatbelts go from the outside in.
Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right, and weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the buttons. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting! Look on to us! Take evasive action! There it is! After that plane! Flight engineers, fire the harpoons! Excellent! Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Do you see those big white rings? Would you fly through them? Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Let's get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry! Galaxia. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the target is... Oh, that is rough. All right, I am making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
All available taxis have a ground freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This is strictly scrap metal.
Have a great night.
Oh my god, it's damaged.